Welcome back to DoItMyselfGarage. Got a Nissan Altima here. I'm not exactly sure what year, but a friend brought it over because he's getting, you can see that, come on focus, random multiple cylinder misfires, P0300. So apparently he said he accidentally left it run an entire day while he was sleeping. Came home tired. Somehow the car was still running. These are the stupid cars that don't have a key. You just press a button to start them. So yeah, it just kept running. So not sure if he blew a head gasket or if he just fouled out some spark plugs or what's going on. So let's tear into it, see what we can find, and we'll kind of go from there. I'm not 100% sure how the numbering works on these cylinders. And let me get the plug in the sun and the camera in the shade. There we go. So I don't know if you can see that, but this thing is not right. But what is this? What is this? Oh, we lost part of the coilover plug boot from the last one was stuck on there. I bet you the other coilover plug wasn't pressing down here on all the way, and probably not sparking properly. This one had a lot of oil around it, so did a couple others. So these are the other ones. I'm gonna clean these up and put them back in and see if the random misfires go away. Random multiple misfires. I have a feeling that was what the problem was. Alright, everything on the plugs looked okay. I didn't check the gaps. They were all exactly the same. There we go. Now, our coilover plugs. So these tuck in here. Down and they get held in place. But that one with that extra rubber boot on there, that was not helping. Guarantee that was causing problems. Then he left it sit and idle for hours and hours. So clean up all those plugs. Little concerned because two of those were kind of white. So that could be a head gasket leak. Hard to say. Kind of just his work car, so we'll see if we can't get it running for him, at least reliable enough to get back and forth to work. Let's fire it up and see if she throws any codes. Where did I put the keys? Where did I put the keys? Alright, let's see if she fires up, then I'll put that cover back on. She's running smooth. Let me grab the code. Alright. Can you see it? Oh, that's right. I unplugged it. No codes. That fixed it. So, yeah, don't leave your car run for hours. Sure, that didn't help the plugs, so I cleaned them up so they're a little less fouled. And then we'll have to watch those to see if he gets some, get that white coating on there. That could be fuel, but most of the time when it's white on the plugs, like that, it's a lot of times it's a head gasket. So, put that cover back on first before we close this up. So, highly recommend picking up one of these. I got this one at Walmart for like 20 bucks. They sell them all over the place. This one's a hyper tough. I'll try to leave an Amazon link to one. OBDII reader. They're super, super handy. I was able to reset the code, and then I'm going to let it run here while I'm putting the cover on, and then we'll check the monitor again and see if it has it. Otherwise, you should be good. Thanks again for following on. Like and subscribe, all that great stuff, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.